Demo video for MMO Authentication portal. What I am demoing is my login page for an MMO that I have been working on. It is fully set up to MongoDB. It encrypts users' passwords. It sends reset password emails and reset password confirmation emails, and has full security setup to not let in unauthorized users. Right now, I don't have any users on my database. So let's go ahead and sign up. Actually, if we sign in, we show that security is working. We don't have a user found. So now let's sign up. Put in any username. Click sign up. We get a confirmation that we have successfully created our user. If we go to MongoDB and refresh, it shows that. As you can see, our passwords are encrypted, and it shows our username as well. Now if we go back and sign in, it'll give us a JSON object showing all our email, our ID, and our name. I don't have the MMO fully set up yet, otherwise it would go into that. If we go back, if you can see down here, we have cookies set up. These tell us that we're logged in, so if we go back to our game HTML page, it should still let us in, and it does. I also have a logout button fully set up that should take us back to our sign in page after telling us that we're logged out, and it also has cleared our cookies. So now if we go back to our game HTML page, we get an unauthorized signature and no JSON object. Shows everything's working good. Now say we forgot our password, we can go to our forgotten password. Put in an email address that has no account linked to it, it won't do anything. Just show an empty confirmation message, as we do not have a user with that email address. Let's put in our actual email address. After a second or so, we get our password reset email sent confirmation. We switch our screens. You can see we did in fact get an email with our reset link. If we click that link, it'll bring us to our reset password page. This is also set up so if we put in mismatching passwords, it'll give us a passwords do not match confirmation message and will not allow us to reset our password. We put in the same password now, we get our confirmation message that it updated, and we should get redirected back to the sign-in page. If we try and sign in with our old information, it won't let us. If we sign in with our new information, we'll get back to where we were, which is good. After you reset your password, it should send you another email confirming that we did in fact reset our password. Now, the last thing I have to show is I've set up a backend for sending chat in my MMO. Unfortunately, since the MMO is not fully set up, I cannot show that through the UI, but if we go to Postman, you can see that if we post a message into our chat router, well, it's actually giving us an unauthorized right now, as we're not currently signed in through Postman. So if we log in really quickly, that's not our password. If we log in really quickly, we'll get our refresh token, our 200 status. We'll go back to chat. We'll send it, and it sends a chat object with our email address and our message. It also gives us a message send confirmation and a 200 status. That is all I have to show. It is fully set up, and once I get the chat UI set up, our backend is already here, fully functional.